Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at array.prototype.copyWithin. I personally have never used this method. I think I've seen it, I've just never used it, so let's look at it. The copyWithin method shallow copies part of an array to another location in the same array and returns it without modifying its size. So this almost seems similar to concat, right? Where, again, we're not modifying it directly. This almost seems like a splice, right? But this is more of internal to the array. And again, it's not mutating it. So let's look at the syntax, the target and the start and the end. And right. So here we're doing copyWithin -2. And how does that change? 1, 2, 3. And I guess what it's doing is it's taking off. Let me see. copyWithin and -2, -3, -1, 1, 2, -3. That's kind of interesting. So let's just try this again, and let's look at this first example up here. So copy to index 0 the element at index 3. Okay. Copy to index 0. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and we're getting B, C, D, E. So we want to basically just take the element at index 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, D, right? And we want to put it at the beginning. Copy to index 1 all elements from index 3 to the end. Okay, so index 1, and that's going to give us copy to index 1 elements from index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 to the end, right? So basically, that's just going to put 2 D's in the front. Okay, so let's just do the same example, right? We still have our old users here. No, I don't. Okay, so let me just do this again. Const users, James, Rick, and John. Okay, and sorry, let me close that off. Users, and what we can do here is we do users.copyWithin, and what we want to do, let's just try a few things. We'll try 0, 1, 2, and Rick, John. So what are we getting? And then has it modified? Rick, John. It actually does modify it. So method shell copies part of an array and returns it without modifying its size. Huh. I guess it doesn't modify the size necessarily. Let's just try this again with Rick, John, John. So, cool. So basically, users.copyWithin. Well, let's just do new users, and we'll say Theo and Bob. Let's just do it with 2. Okay, so we'll do new users. New users.copyWithin, and the target. Copy to index 0. We just want to copy. Basically, we just want to switch places. Copy elements 0, 1, and copy to index 0, the element at index 3. Copy to index 0, the element 0, the element at index 3. What happens if we do that? Users.copyWithin, Bob, 0, 1. Okay, hold on. Const newish users equals James and Bob. Just want to experiment with this a little bit. Newish users.copyWithin 0, 1, 1. Okay, so that just switched. That didn't do anything. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 2. So basically, yeah, that will take them all. So this 2 will take up to this length. Start and target 0 based index, switch to copy the sequence. If negative, target will be counted from the end. If target is greater than array.length, nothing will be copied. Okay, if target is positioned after start, start optional, end optional. Okay, that's kind of weird. I can't imagine why you would really want to do this necessarily, unless maybe you were doing like a swap. But I don't know. I don't know how like useful it really is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.